May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. Or you want a Slim Shady, so just imitate. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up.
Okay, so guys, I'm about to do a mukbang for you. It's a Chick-fil-A mukbang. I've been seeing all these stuff on TikTok. I've been seeing this video thingy on TikTok, so I am about to do it for you guys. But it wasn't planned, hence the reason why I just took up the phone and started recording. So I'll see y'all when I get back home to do this mukbang for you.
Nuggets, fries, mac and cheese, Chick-fil-A sauce, buffalo sauce, ranch.
So I got a bowl to put the stuff in. First thing I'm gonna put in there is the mac and cheese. I bought all small sizes with the stuff because I didn't want to like buy a lot and didn't like it. So the mac and cheese, the fries, and the chicken nuggets. Now I'm going to put all the sauces on there. I got buffalo sauce, ranch, and Chick-fil-A sauce. This is the Chick-fil-A sauce. Thank you. This is the buffalo sauce. Oh. And this is the ranch. Right now, I need you guys to like this video if you haven't liked it already. Also, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because I am literally out here in the sun doing this for you guys because inside was a bit dark. Alrighty, let's do it. It looks good. It smells good. Let me see if it tastes good. Let me see what's it about. I'm trying to add everything on the fork. Not bad at all, y'all. For me, I'm more of a sweet sauce type of girl, but this is getting very salty and spicy, but it's good. I like it. Sun is hot. We're going to go inside. So talk to you guys Okay, so guys, I know my hair looks crazy, but I am just going to add to the reviews. No, for me personally, it wasn't all that like how I see some persons like talking about it, but it was okay. I would definitely give it a 6 out of 10 or a 6.5. No, I'm definitely going to give it a 6 out of 10, but that is just my opinion. With the sauces, I'm more of a sweet sauce type of girl. The sauces were giving very much spicy, salty, dramatically. So for me, no. But it was okay. Also the mac and cheese, I don't know what it was, but it was very grainy. Like after mixing the stuff up, I didn't taste it before, but after mixing the stuff up, the mac and cheese itself was a bit grainy. I didn't like that, but yeah, my overall rating for it is definitely a 6 out of 10. I don't think I would ever purchase it again. That's just me though. But yeah, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, remember to like my video, leave some positive comments, also subscribe if you haven't already. Please remember to follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.